Welcome to our next video of science, class 9th, lesson number 3rd, atoms and molecules. So now this is our last lecture of our chapter number 3rd, atoms and molecules. So now start. So now our next topic is chemical formula. So now what is chemical formula? It's symbolic representation. So now we will do our next topic, which is chemical formula. Chemical formula. So पहले तो ਆਪਾਂ chemical formula ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਲਿਖਾਂਗੇ ਛੋਟੀ ਜੀ definition. ਇਹਨੂੰ define ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਵਾਕਿਆ chemical formula ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ. The symbolic representation of composition of a compound is known as chemical formula. So now the symbolic representation of composition of a compound is known as chemical formula. यानी कि एक composition ਦੀ symbolic representation, composition ਉਹ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ compound ਦਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਉਹਦੀ symbolic representation ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਵਾਂਗੇ ਉਹਦਾ chemical formula. यानी ਜਿਹੜੀ symbols ਦੇ through show ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ composition ਦੀ compound the composition ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਵਾਂਗੇ chemical formula. So now we will do the characteristics of chemical formula. Our next topic is characteristics of chemical formula. Chemical formula. Sorry, characteristics of chemical formula. So now the first characteristics of chemical formula is valences or charge. Valences or charge on ion must balance. So the first characteristics of chemical formula is valences or charge of ions must balance. यानी कि ਜਿਹੜੇ valences ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ charge ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ions ਦੇ ਉਹ balance ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਹੋਣ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ balance ਹੋਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ. So this is the first characteristics come under chemical formula. So now we will do our next characteristic, which is when compound is formed of metals and non-metals symbol of metal comes first. characteristics of chemical formula. When compound is formed of metals and non-metals, symbol of metal comes first. यानी कि जो compound है वो metal ते non-metal ਦਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਬਣਿਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ symbol ਹੈ metal ਦਾ ਉਹ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. For example, so ये third point चाहिए ये example. Third characteristics of, so this is the second characteristics of chemical formula. So now I will write the third characteristic of chemical formula. So it's example आ गई CaO comma NaCl जिन्हें अपन कहते हैं sodium chloride and CO which is copper. So this is the three examples which come under chemical formula. When compound is formed of metals and non-metals, symbol of metals always comes first. So now this is the three characteristics of chemical formula. Now we'll write the fourth characteristic of chemical formula. So fourth characteristic is when an polyatomic ions are used, the ions are enclosed in bracket. The ions are enclosed in brackets before writing the number to show the ratio for example Ca in bracket OH bracket close to comma NH4. So when polyatomic ions are used, the ions are enclosed in bracket before writing the number to show the ratio. So ਜਦੋਂ polyatomic ions use ਕਰੀਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ions ਜਿਹੜੇ enclosed ਕੀਤੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ brackets before writing the number. numbers ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ brackets ਨੇ ਉਹ enclosed ਕੀਤੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ show ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ratio. For example, Ca bracket OH bracket close to bracket NH4 bracket close to. So this is the two examples which come under this fourth point. So now our topic chemical formula is finished. Now we will start this lecture's third topic which is molecular mass. Our next topic is molecular mass. Now we will discuss the molecular mass. Firstly we will define the molecular mass. So now what is molecular mass? Molecular mass. So definition of molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of all that the atoms in a molecule of that substance of that substance. So molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of that substance. यानी कि sum of ਜਿਹੜਾ atomic mass is the sum होवे of the atoms in a molecule. ਜਿਹੜਾ sum ਹੋਵੇ atomic masses ਦਾ, ਪਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ atoms ਹੋਣ molecules of that substance is known as molecular mass. So this is the full defined of molecular mass. Now we will do an example of molecular mass. First ਇਹਦਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਦਾਂਗੇ formula of molecular mass is molecular mass ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ m ਇਹਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਫਾਰਮ ਹੈ, ਆਪਾਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਵੀ ਰਾਈਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ m, यानी कि molecular mass of number is equal to 2 into atomic mass 2 into atomic mass plus atomic mass of hydrogen so this is the example atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. So this is the first example of molecular mass. यानी कि ये formula हो गया molecular mass of number is equals to 2 into first mass which is atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of our second element which is oxygen. So when हम solve करेंगे molecular mass is equal to 1 molecular mass of H2O यानी कि हम आप इस water का करना molecular mass which is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 16. So 2 into 1 plus 1 plus 16 यानी कि हम 2 into 1 हो गया 2, so 2 plus 1 which is 3 यानी कि 3 into हम जब आप 16 करांगे तो इसका आंसर आएगा 18 AMU या फिर हम आप कल्ला U भी लिख सकते हैं. So this is the molecular mass of water which is 18. Then we will write the point. The molecular mass of water is 18 U. So this is the full topic which come under molecular mass. Now we will do our next topic which is formula unit mass. Now we will do our next topic which is formula unit mass. Formula unit mass. So now what is formula unit mass? और इनके पर definition लिखांगे the sum of atomic mass of ions and atoms present in formula for a compound. So this is the full definition of formula unit mass. which is the sum of atomic mass of ions as well as atoms present in a formula for a compound is known as formula unit mass। यानी कि सम ऑफ जेड़ा एटॉमिक मासेस दा सम है, जेड़ा एटॉमिक मासेस दा सम है आयंस दा ते एटम्स दा प्रेजेंट होवे एक फार्मूले जिन तो बने कंपाउंड ओनु आपां कहांगे फार्मूला यूनिट मास। सो नाउ वी विल डू एग्जांपल ऑफ फार्मूला यूनिट मास। Example of formula unit mass ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਊਗਾ NaCl is equal to Na ਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੁਣ mass 23 AMU ਤੇ Cl ਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ mass 35.5 AMU। So when इन्हां दा formula unit mass बनिया, so their formula unit mass is equal to 1 into 23 into 35.5। So 1 into 23 is equal to 23, so 23 ਨੂੰ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ 35.5 ਨਾਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, so 58.5 ਇਹਦਾ ਹੋਗਾ ਆਨਸਰ। 58.5 AMU is the answer of formula unit mass। So as an example formula unit mass ਦੀ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ sodium chloride, so sodium ਦਾ mass ਹੁੰਦਾ 23 ਤੇ chloride ਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ 35.5। so ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ formula ready ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ 1 into mass of first element into mass of second element। So 1 into mass of first element ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ 23 ਤੇ second element chloride ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ 35.5। so ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੈਲਕੂਲੇਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਤਾਂ mass ਹੈ 58.5 AMU। this is the unit of formula unit mass ਜਿਹਦੇ unit ਹੋ ਗਏ AMU। so now we will do our next topic which is ions। so now what is ions? Ions. So now what is ions? Ions is the atoms or groups। so ions is atoms or group of atoms having atoms ਦਾ group ਹੋਣ of having positive or negative charge is known as ions। so the atoms or groups of atoms having positive or negative charge is known as ions। so this is the definition of ions। definition of ions। what is ions? the atoms or groups of atoms having positive and negative charges which we know as ions। so this is the full definition of ions। now the ions is of two types of charge। ions contain two charges। first is positively charged ions। ions is of two types। first is positively charged ions। so positively charged ions के examples होंगे Na positive, K positive, Ca2 positive, Al3 positive। so this is the example of first positively charged ions। first is Na positive, second K positive, third Ca2 positive, fourth Al3 positive. So now our second type of ions is negatively charged ions. Negatively charged ions. इन्हां दी examples होंगियां Cl negative, S2 negative, OH negative, SO4 3 negative. So second आपने जेडे ions ने second type ions की हैगी है negatively charged ions. जेडे example आ गई है Cl negative, S2 negative, OH negative, SO4 3 negative. So this is the example of positively charged ions, and this is the example of negatively charged ions. So now the ions is of two types. First are the monoatomic ions, second polyatomic ions. Ions is of two types. First is monoatomic ions. Second is polyatomic ions. So ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ एग्जांपल्स लिखांगे ਜਿਹੜੇ आयंस ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ मोनोटॉमिक ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੋਲੀਐਟੋਮਿਕ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ. आयंस ਦੋ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਸੀ, मोनोटॉमिक आयंस एंड पॉलीएटोमिक आयंस. फर्स्ट ਆਪਾਂ ਲਿਖਾਂਗੇ मोनोटॉमिक आयंस ਦੀਆਂ. monoatomic ions. So first ਇਹਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਆ ਗਿਆ Mg2 positive ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ magnesium ion. Second is Na positive ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ sodium ion. So ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ next example ਕਰਾਂਗੇ second, which is polyatomic ion. ਜਿਹਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ first ਆਊਗਾ NH positive. NH positive ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ammonium ਜਾਂ ammonium ion. So second example ਆਪਾਂ ਲਵਾਂਗੇ CO3 2 negative ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਾਂਗੇ ਕਾਰਬੋਨੇਟ, ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਾਰਬੋਨੇਟ ion. So this is the two examples of monatomic ions and polyatomic ions. Monatomic ions आ गए magnesium ion and sodium ion. The polyatomic ions आ गए ammonium ion and carbonate ion. So now we will do our next, which is the next topic, which is chemical formula. Chemical formula. So this is our last second lecture of chapter atoms and molecules. Only one lecture is left of our chapter atoms and molecules. So now the leftover topics we will continue in our next class. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our more videos. So do like on our video and drop a comment if you have any query or any doubt. I will do my best to give you answer, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.